Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Google Gemini just introduced another new feature which is the gems. Here you see these experimental gems turn your prompts into actionable tools that can help you complete everyday tasks or explore new ideas. And you will find these gems here inside this Google Gemini. Here you see that create your new gem. If you click on this, then it will ask you the prompt. Okay, and also here you see that gems made by labs means these are the some already built in gems that they have given us. And the first gem is this recipe genie and this marketing maven and this claymation explanation and learning with YouTube. Okay, so what are these? So these are basically mini apps. Yes, you have guessed it right. These gems are basically mini apps that you can use in your everyday task. Suppose this is the first gems, the recipe genie. So if you open it, here you see that the prompt is this on the left hand side, an app that takes an image of food items, example leftovers in a fridge, as input and identifies the ingredients and then generates multiple recipe suggestions using those ingredients. And the thing is that using this recipe genie, this is a mini apps, and the main purpose of this mini app is that you will upload the images of the leftover images inside fridge, or you can upload some of the ingredients, and then this recipe genie gems will tell you that what kind of recipe that you can make using these ingredients. Okay, so this kind of mini apps that you can make. Now let me open another, which is the learning with YouTube. This is the another mini app. So if I open it, here you see that this is the prompt on the left hand side. User wants an app that takes a video as input and generates a report on its educational relevance and creates a quiz to review the video's content. So basically, these are the steps. Here you see that first you will give the URL of the YouTube video, then it will find the video transcript, then it will make some kind of quiz questions and you can answer that quiz question and you can learn from that video in that way. Here you see that if I click on the start button, then it will ask you for the YouTube URL. Okay, so these are the main feature of these gems. So gems are nothing but the mini apps that you can make here. I have given this link inside description. Please go there. You will find this link gemini.google.com/gems/view. After going to this page, make sure you have login in your Google account and click on this new gem, and then it will ask you for the prompt. So here you can give the prompt. Now another thing is that this gems is powered by this Opal. What is Opal? Many of you already know that Opal is actually a experimental feature where you can build the mini apps. Okay, here you see build interactive mini apps with Opal in the Gemini apps. So previously this Opal was a separate feature. This is the main page of Opal, and there you can give any prompt, and after that you can build this kind of mini apps with the help of Opal. Now the problem was that this Opal and this Gemini was separate things. Now they have combined this Gemini and Opal. So inside this Gemini, you will get the agentic capability of Opal, and with the help of that agentic capability, you can build this kind of mini apps. Okay. And here you see that in this prompt section you can type the prompt, and if you are thinking that what kind of mini apps that you can build, just simply head over to ChatGPT and ask it that mini website app ideas for everyday task, and here you see that there are many app ideas it will give you: micro habit tracker, decision spinner, focus timer, and also money expense utilities, daily expense logger, split bill calculator. Okay, for food and health, let's say daily water intake tracker. Okay, so if you just want to build this meal planner, okay, so take this and ask it that give me prompt give me prompt for meal planner. Just hit enter, and after that you will get the prompt. Here you see. So all of these core features it will mention, and just copy these whole things and just head over to this and here paste it. Okay, and now press enter. Now you will see that it will make that mini apps that you can use for your daily uh, everyday task purpose. So you can follow this meal planner for your bodybuilding purpose or for your normal health improve purpose. Okay, anything that is coming in your mind, just use your idea and build this kind of mini apps. And here you see that our mini app got ready, and they have given one beautiful name which is the meal maestro. Plan meals, track calories and generate grocery list effortlessly. So click on start, and after that here you see the thinking, generate meal planner web app code. So I hope you got the point why this gems feature is important for us, because a small mini apps that can help you to do your everyday task. And please build it, and please let me know your thought, your experience, and what kind of app you are building, what kind of mini app. Okay, so if you found this video helpful guys, and if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.